Jake, are you holding up the fence?
me back again this weekend, which was Mother's Day weekend. We pretty much busted our butts the whole weekend to get some stuff done because we're going out on vacation, and we wanted to get this stuff done before we went out of town. Anyways, we finished the, I guess you would call it, trailer or car parking area over here next to the left of the barn. We had, I don't even remember how many tons of gravel dropped off. It was a lot. But funny enough, it doesn't even seem like it did a good amount of damage to it, which I think is kind of interesting. But we do probably need to get some more, because back here where the trailers are parked, there is some spots that are dipped down that need to be taken care of. So as you can see, there's one of the trailers, and the red one goes over to the left of it, and then you can see the cars are parked here. So we're going to work on creating a small concrete pad that goes right there in front of the man door. And then I think in front of the shed eventually we'll do more gravel just to have a bigger area for when we pull stuff out of the shed. And then as you can see, this is where we park all the implements for the big John Deere tractor that we have. And then of course over here, we eventually want to build a lean-to for all of the lovely spare John Deeres. I kind of call this the John Deere graveyard. This is where they all go to die. So hopefully we'll be getting rid of some of these and selling them, and who knows, maybe you guys could even use some parts. But there it is. Oh, and it's almost final glory. So hopefully soon we'll get the rest of the telephone poles put down the driveway. But it's looking good. It was a good start to a very long weekend. So now that it's almost 8 o'clock on Sunday, on Mother's Day, I get to finally relax. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And as always, God bless.